G, nigga. S-A-G-E. Make sure you put the dot symbol. How real is this? La, how real is this? Detroit, nigga. Where I'm from, better respected to carry your weapon. Guard your Cartier frames and tuck in your necklace. Bunch of young niggas getting money, living life reckless. Feds watching building cases on the block like it's Tetris. Every message is more than them gifted lyrics you hearing. I'm from when niggas get slumped before they courtroom appearance, and all the neighbors act dumb when they come through asking questions. We ain't bragging, we just trying to teach them valuable lessons. My demeanor can eat at niggas, I'm Hannibal Lecter. Got the city on my back, I feel like I'm the protector. Mic check on the record, I'm a lyrics perfecter. See the passion on my skin, such a beautiful texture. Get familiar before my niggas peel ya. I'm from where they carry bananas, we Detroit gorillas. From the city where them niggas are off you if your partner's a snitch, and jealous niggas plotting on you if you fucking a bitch. Oh, that was your chick? Well, here, you can have this bitch. I never call her, treat her like she never had this dick. My style too sick, I fall off, I bounce back quick. Won't ever stop till I'm rich, even then won't quit. You see the madness, all gold, everything. See the carrots in my hood, that streets that is good. Oh, you embarrassed cause you didn't think I was connected. Where I'm from, those mistakes get you hollows to your head quick. I push the whip through the city, I often stop to holler what's good. Moved away to the burbs, but still come back to the hood. I had to reassure safety, make sure my daughter was good. Cause where I'm from, it's no amnesty, they be pulling them triggers. Killing these niggas, got them like is it over? Flowing just like I'm supposed to, haters say anything in the hover. No, I'm sage, I'm a vulture. Spitting lyrical game, let me coach ya. Don't let them YouTube views pump you, I'm better than most of ya. The underground sorcerer, that blends well with that mainstream. Grinding for that money, all of my niggas do the same thing. Chase dreams, niggas doing dirt just to stay clean. Cause where I'm from, clean and dirty money be the same thing. Better be careful when you enter Detroit, nigga, ain't nothing nice. Ain't nothing nice, that front in the end your life, nigga. Better be careful when you enter Detroit, nigga, ain't nothing nice. Ain't nothing nice, that's the in the end your life, nigga. Better be careful when you enter Detroit, nigga, ain't nothing nice. Ain't nothing nice, these niggas are in your life, nigga. Cough up a lung where I'm from, Detroit, niggas ain't nothing nice. Ain't nothing nice, my nigga, ain't nothing nice. Before I go, I just wanna say, shout out to Hov. A real nigga showing that respect that nobody knows, nobody close. Money or power, grinding for both. Cause where I'm from, you respected or get ejected. My style is a blessing, that real rap is what I mess with. I'm ripping this, I get this shit off my chest like a necklace. My music food for thought, you just got a taste of the breakfast. The Motor City's finest, Detroit can never be messed with, nigga. Yeah. What up, city? Yeah, I told them niggas I ain't playing with them this summer.